Hi, I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're making camarones out of Diablo. If you want something that will wake up your taste buds, this has got that kick you'll love. In a large sauté pan, add your onions and cook until translucent, then the garlic and sauté, but do not burn that garlic. Add the butter and jalapeños and sauté for a few minutes. Next, add your shrimp a single layer, stirring to coat them evenly with the sauce. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, just until the shrimp turn pink and they're cooked through. While those are cooking, add to the pan crushed tomatoes, lime juice, salt, pepper, and sugar. Stir and adjust the seasoning if needed. It should be spicy and a little tangy. Cook the sauce for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens slightly and the flavors deepen. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer gently. Now to bring it all together, serve on warm tortillas and top with cilantro. Camarones a la Diablo. Bon appetito. Jasper's Kitchen is brought to you by Henhouse Markets, filmed on location at MCPL Culinary Kitchens.